So here we have the Babish 12-inch and 9-inch locking kitchen tong set. This is made out of stainless steel. It's got a brushed finish. The scallop ends grip food securely without damaging or puncturing it, which you don't want to do, especially with your prized steaks. The loop on the handle is convenient for hanging storage, and it also pushes in and pulls out and locks it closed or lets it open for compact storage in your container or drawers. It's got a very attractive etched logo, very low key, dishwasher safe, but it's good to avoid use with non-stick pots and pans, or be very careful because it may scratch the coating. Being these are very slick and they don't have any rubber handles, which you may not want. Do not leave in hot cookware for extended periods of time because they may become hot, so be careful with. Also, do not use in a microwave. I mean, who would really do that? One thing you don't want to do is damage your food while cooking by poking and scratching. These lift up food very easily, safely. You could flip them and just relax it nice and easy back into the pan. And it's great for the barbecue also. So indoor, outdoor use are very attractive, sleek, and easy to clean.